ठीक है. So now we'll start. Alright. Fold your legs fast. Sit how I'm sitting. Place your soft toys right here. And you'll have to sit very straight. Okay, back straight. You cannot slouch. If you'll sit like this, then you will sit like this forever. You will end up spoiling your back. So you have to sit straight. Okay, sit straight, everyone. Back straight, very straight. Yes. You all know what is this? This is your chest. Okay, so you have to make sure your chest is out. Fast. Very good. Okay. Alright. Now we have to make sure our chin is up and our eyes are softly closed. Okay? Close your eyes fast. Alright, is everyone's eyes closed? Very good. Okay, keep your eyes closed. Alright. Now we'll take a deep breath in. Okay? Inhale. Have you inhaled with your nose? Take a deep breath in and release. Release all the air from your stomach. Exhale it all out. Remove. I'm still exhaling. And okay, keep your eyes closed, okay? Now I will tell you all certain things and you'll have to imagine, okay? Make sure your eyes are closed. Everyone's eyes should be closed. Okay, very good. Now I want you to imagine yourselves on a vacation, on a beautiful destination. It could be at a beach, in the mountains, or at your homes itself, and you all are making nice breakfast. Your mama's cooked nice breakfast, or your papa. Everybody is cooking, and we're having delicious food. Make sure your eyes are closed. Imagine what are you all going to be eating today. It could be pancakes, donuts, anything. Are you all imagining? Good. Keep imagining. Okay, then what are you going to do next? You are going to play a lot of games with your siblings or with your parents, right? Keep your eyes closed, and now we're going to count numbers from 1 to 30, alright? So let's begin. Let's count. You all have to count with me, okay? But in your head. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eyes closed. Nobody should open their eyes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Make sure our eyes are closed. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Focus on the numbers. Nobody should open their eyes. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep your eyes closed. Let's just rub our palms against one another. Fast. Rub your palms. Come on. Rub your palms. Faster. And place it on top of your eyes. Take one deep breath in. And while exhaling, slowly open your eyes. Alright, chalo. Let's hold your toy, and let's take it on top. Take it on top, stretch yourselves out. Take yourselves higher. Okay, let's go to the side. Hold it here. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go other side. Other side. Hold it. 5, 4. Stretch yourself. Stretch your hands out. 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Let's place it here. Place your toys. Now we'll place it in the side. Okay? He'll be doing it with us throughout this. Okay? Chalo. Let's come right here. Sit on your legs. Tall. Make sure your chests are out. Okay? Sit on your legs. Yes. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now we'll be going on our hands and our legs. Come right here. Yes, we'll be doing cat and cow. You know what a cat and cow is? Cat has to take their back in and their head up. And cow has to go like this. Okay? So when you're inhaling cat, you go cat. While exhaling, you go cow. Inhale, go cat. Then go cow. Take your right leg out. Right leg out. Stretch your right legs out. And show me your left hand. Left hand will be balancing on our opposite hands. Okay, so take your left hand and your right leg out. Stretch it out, stretch it out. Come back to your normal position. Let's go with the other leg. Now stretch your left leg out. Left leg out. And right hand out. Stretch it. Come on, stretch it as much as you can. Very good. So nicely you are doing it. Okay. Let's go on our stomachs. Let's go on our stomachs and lie down. Lie down. And place your palms beside your chest. And elbows do not have to be out. Okay. Take your elbows in. Take your elbows in and come up. Stretch. Stretch as much as you can. Stretch your upper bodies. Push your upper bodies with the help of your palms. Yes, you know what is this called? It's called the cobra pose. Make sure your legs are joined together. Legs joined together. Join your legs together. Good. And now you know what are we going to be doing? Lifting our legs up. Try lifting your legs up. And try to touch your head. Try touching your head. Wow, very good. Keep going, keep going. Let's hold it. Come on, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice. Wow, alright. Now we'll be doing one more challenging thing. We'll have to go on your forearms. Place your elbows down. Elbows and your hands down. Okay. Now you'll have to balance only on your toes. Okay, toes and your hands. See, like this. Lift your bodies up. Lift your bodies up. Yes, very good. But you don't have to go on top. Come down, come low. Let's hold it. Come on, hold it. Hold it. 5, 4. Come on. Try to balance. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Very good. Now we have to stretch on top, okay? Go on your feet and try to press the heels down. Are your heels touching? Now you know your upper body now. Press your upper bodies in. Press your upper bodies in and try to touch your heels. Fast. Come on. Touch your heels back straight. Now you know what we'll try to do. We'll try to lift one leg up. Can you all take your legs up? One leg. Let's try to lift it high. Lift it. Lift one leg high. Hold it. Even if you can count it here, that's amazing. Hold it. Let's hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Let's try to take our other legs on top. Other leg. Bend it. Let's take the other leg on top. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Let's come on our hands now. Hands. Just come on your hands and your legs. Yes, hold it. Hold. Your body has to be straight. Do not bend your body. Body has to be straight now. Let's hold for 10 counts. Okay? 1, 2, 3. No falling down. 4, 5. Come on. Very good. Come on, keep going. Faster, faster, faster. Very nice. Okay. Relax, relax. Okay, we'll be going in the child pose now. You know what a child pose is? You have to sit to the floor. Try to touch your head to the floor. Hands stretched out. Yes, very good. Let's relax. Relax. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up, come up. Grab your soft toys. Yes. And now we have to go on our toes. Go on your toes. Go on your toes. Take it higher. Take your soft toys higher, higher. Let's balance. Balance with your leg joint. Hold it. Hold it, hold it. Hold it for 5, 4. Stretch, stretch as much as you can. Try to touch the rooftop. Go higher. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Come down. Let's go to the side. Take it to the side. Hold it. 5. Go towards the side. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go to the other side. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now what are we going to try to do here? No? You have to bend. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. But how? Without bending your knees. Okay? So try to go down, back straight, come halfway. Come halfway first. And go down, down, down. Try touching your head to the knee. Hold it. Hold it. Try to touch. Try to touch your head to your knee. Hold it for 5, 4. Come on, try without bending your knees. 3, 2, and 1. All right, that's so good. Very nice. Okay, let's take our legs apart. Okay, legs apart, and now we'll try to keep your feet. They have to face outwards. Okay, not inwards. Your feet have to face outwards, and you all will be going here. Then you'll come to this position. Hold this position. Hold it. Hold it. Back has to be straight. Feet has to be facing outwards. Hold it. Come on. Let's see who can hold it for longer time. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Look at you still holding. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who can go side to side with me? Let's go side to side. Very good. Wow, so strong you are. Amazing. Keep going, keep going. Let's see who can go on their toes now. Can you go on your toes? Very good. Keep going, keep going. Hold it. Hold it. Let's see who can hold it. Let's hold it for 10. Very good. Come up. Alright, please place your soft toys down. We will now try to go in for a split. Alright, you all know what a split is? Your feet have to be facing outwards. Go on your heels. Place your palms down and try to go down as low as possible. Try to go down. Try. Yes, very good. Let's hold it. Hold it. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Come behind and sit. Now what we'll try to do is touch our forehead to our knee. Okay? So grab your foot. Grab your foot with your legs apart and try to touch your head to the knee. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Hold it. Come on, hold it. 5, 4. Try to touch your head to the knee. 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Let's try to touch the other knee. Hold your foot and hold it. Try to touch. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's amazing. Now you know what? Do this. Take your feet inwards, flex it, and now point. Flex and point your feet. You all know what is flex and point? See, look at my feet. I'm flexing it and now I'm pointing it. Flex and point. Flex and point. Can you all see my feet? Everyone, you all can see my feet? See what am I doing with this? Can you all see? Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Faster, faster, faster. Let's take it fast. Fast. Hold. Alright, hold it. Hold your toes. Try to hold your toes. Hold your toes. And now try to touch your head to the floor. Try to touch. Can you all do that? Let's try. Come on. Let's hold it. Let's hold that pose. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Very good. Alright, let's take the leg in now. Take your legs in. Take both the legs in and shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Faster, faster, faster. Who can shake their legs faster? Fast, 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 fast. Shake it like this. Like this. Good job. Keep shaking, keep shaking. Okay. Now you'll know what will we try to do. You have to hold your core strong. Okay, hold your core strong. And now we'll be lifting ourselves up. Okay, fold your legs. Fold your legs like this. Yes, very good. Now where is your toy? Where was your toy? Place your toys on your legs. Yes, and hold your hands here. You don't have to drop your toy. Do not drop your toy. Toy has to be right here. Balance your toy. Balance it. Take your legs higher. Legs high. Let's see who can balance the toy. Come on. Hold it. Balance it. Come on. Hands here. Hands here. Hands on top. So challenging, no? Come on. Let's try to do it. If you all want, take support. Take support of your hands. Yes. Very good. Take your legs higher. Very nice. Stretch your hands up. Front. Stretch your hands. Hold it. Hold it, hold it. Okay, now, you know what will I do? I'll roll my toy down. You know how? See this? It fell towards me. Legs stretched out. Very good. Hold. One last. Balance. Yes. We'll count in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Okay, now you know what will we try to do? You have to lie down. Lie down with me. Lie down. And we'll be taking our legs on top. Legs straight on top. Who can do this? Show me, show me, show me who can do this. Legs on top. Straight, huh? No bending your knees. I don't want this. I want legs straight. Legs straight on top. Come on, lift both the legs up. Lie down, lift both your legs up. And now we are going to cycle. Who knows how to cycle? Do you all know how to cycle? Very good. While you are cycling, place your soft toys out here. Hold them. Cycle, come on. Faster, 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 faster. Try to cycle fast. Faster. Come on. Who can cycle faster? Let's cycle for 5, 4. Faster, faster, faster. 3, 2, and 1. Bring your legs back on top. Legs back on top. Good. Just hold it. Hold it. Try to touch your knees. Try to hold your feet. Without bending your knees. Without bending your knees. And open. Open your legs. Try to stretch. Open your legs up. Very good. Bring it back. In. Bring it back out. Back in. Out. In. Alright. Bring it close. Fold your legs. Fold your legs. Now, interlock your fingers. Hold your legs like this. And just roll. Roll from right to left. Yes, very good. Keep going, keep going. Good job. Let's try to lift our heads. Lift our heads into our knees. Hold it. Let's count. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Alright, let's come to this side and sit. Sit with me right here. Alright, you know what is a butterfly pose? We'll do the butterfly pose now. Okay, join your feet. Join your feet like this. Who can? Yes, take it close to your body. Very close. Close. Let's flap. Flap, 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 flap. Flap your legs. Back straight. Back straight. No slouching. Back straight. You don't have to do this. This is not allowed. You have to sit with your back straight. Very good. Where are your toys? Where are your toys? Soft toys. Right here. Yes. Keep flapping. Flap, 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 flap. Very good. Okay, now with the help of your toys, you'll have to go forward. Try to touch your forehead to the floor without stretching your legs out. Okay? Kick it ahead, stretch. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. Hold it. Try to go down. Hold it. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wow. You are so flexible. That is so good. I'm so proud of you. One last thing. Okay, one last thing we'll do. Stretch your legs out. And now you have to try to touch your forehead again to the knee. Hold your feet. Hold your feet. And try to push yourselves down. Come on, try. Try folding yourselves. Touch your forehead to the knee. Hold it. Hold it with me. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7. Stretch, stretch. Try to touch. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Very nice. Alright, come sit, sit, sit normally. Sit normally. Hands stretched out. Hands stretched out. Stretch your hands as much as you can and hug yourselves. Hug yourselves. Hug yourself and rotate your head. Rotate your head. Let's count. Okay, 1. Very slow rotation. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, let's go reverse, reverse. Now you have to go the other side, okay? Other side head rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Now stretch your hands on top, outside. Stretch your hands. Take it up. Take it up to the side again. Up. forward, side, forward, side, up. Now hold it to the side, hold it right here. Now you have to make big circles with your hands. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on now, without taking your hands down. Keep going, faster, 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 faster. Wow, so good. You look like birds to me over here. Let's go other side, other side. Let's go other side. Do not keep your hands down. Keep your hands to the side. Keep going, faster, faster. Alright, take it up. And down, up, and down, up, and down. Keep going. 1, and down. 2, and down. 3, and down. 4, and down. 5, and down. 6, and down. Very good. 7, and down. Now 3 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold it here. Hold it here once again. Hold it. Stretch as much as you can. Okay, let's go down. Try to touch your. Place your elbows down and stretch. Elbows down, elbows down. This is your elbow. Touch your elbow down. Place your hand down. Very good. Stretch. Okay, very nice. Let's hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you know what we're gonna do. Come on the side that you are bending. Come on your knee, hand here. Stretch your leg out. Stretch your leg out and stretch yourself. Good job. Place your knees down. Knee down. Another leg stretched. Hold it. Hold it. Stretch your hand. Stretch your hand to the side. Very nice. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Very good. We're going to go to the other side now. Other side. Join your hand. And let's bend. Go down. Go down. Place your elbow down. Stretch further. Try to grab something from the side. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go on our knee. Come up. Stretch your leg out. And stretch yourself. Stretch yourself. Come on. More. Some more. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Alright. Y'all join your hands. Come here with me. Join your hands. Join your hands. Very good. Take your hands on top. Take your hands on top. Very good. Stretch. Stretch as much as you can. And try to touch. Go straight. Back straight. And try to touch your knees again. Try to touch. Alright, very good. Now place your hands down. Place your hands down. And stretch your one leg out. One leg out. Good. Stretch just one leg out. Only one leg out. Okay, make sure your other foot is between your hands. Hold it. Alright, now we are going to take the other leg also behind. So take your other leg behind and make a mountain. Mountain. Touch your heels behind. Heels behind. Push your upper body inside. Very good. Now come back on your hands. On your hands and go down. Go down completely. Very good. Now go into a cobra pose. Cobra pose. Yes, very good. Touch your forehead. Touch your head again with your legs. Put it. Very good. Hold it. And release. Alright, let's go again into the mountain. Mountain. Very good. Let's take the other leg in between your palms. Other leg in between your palms. One leg stretched out. And lift your hands up. Lift your hands up. Both your hands up. Very good. Hold it. Hold it here. Try to stretch. Stretch as much as you can. The body has to face forward. And join your legs once again. Join your legs. Try to touch your forehead back into your knees. Try. Touch on top. Touch back on top. And relax. Okay, now Yellow, what are we going to do? Now with the help of your hands, place your foot. Yellow, where are your thighs? This is your thigh, right? So you have to place your foot on your thigh. On your thigh, balance yourself. Very good. Place your foot on your thigh. Come on. Try. Balance. Take support of the wall. Yes. Then leave the wall slowly. See, I'm placing my foot inside my thigh. Yes. Very good. Balance. Try to balance. Good. Very good. Hold it. Try some more. Very good. And now take your hands up. Slowly. Okay. Once again, take the wall support. Place your, yes, very good. Place your foot. Very good, Suhag. Is that Suhaj? Suhaj, sorry. Yeah, hold it. And stretch your hands on top. Hold it. Yes. Very good. Okay. Release. Now with the other leg. Hold it. Hold your other foot. Place it inside your thigh. Place it right here. Very good. And stretch your hands on top. Balance. Come on, balance. Very good. That's amazing. Very nice. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Come back down. Okay. Now once again, we'll be doing Kati Chakrasana. You all know what is that? You'll just have to go down. Stretch your one hand out. Stretch your one hand out. Yes, hold it. Legs join together. Good. Okay, let's go to the other side. Stretch as much as you can. Very good. Come to the side. Okay. Legs apart. Once again. Alright. Hands out, stretched out. And go down. Yes, very good. Go down, hold it. Hold it here. Let's go up and down. Up and down. Up, down. Only one side. Let's go to the other side. Other side, stretch. 1 and up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. Let's hold hold it. Hold it here. Hold it, body facing front. Hold it, hands stretched out. Hands stretched on top. Go down, go down. And relax. Very good. Hold your ankles. Hold your ankles. Knees do not have to bend. Knees has to be straight. Push your upper bodies down. Push your upper bodies down. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and very nice. But knees do not have to bend. The knees have to be straight. We'll try it one more time. Knees straight this time, okay? Do not bend your knees. Knees have to be straight. Hold your ankles. Come on, fast. Hold your ankles. Knees straight. Knees straight, knees straight. And okay, release. Hold. Join your hands. Join your hands. Now try to go lower, okay? Heels, feet facing outwards. We'll try to go down, 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 down. Who can go down? Who can go down? Yes, very good. Hold it here. Back straight. Hold it. Very nice. So good. Is it hurting? Is it hurting? No? It's not hurting? Very good. Hold it here. Open your backs up. Do not have to do this. Back straight. Good. Very nice. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and sit. Relax. Okay. Let's stretch our hands out. Hands stretched out. Sit, sit, sit. Alright. Come. Take your hands back to the side. And hug yourself once again. Hug yourself. Stretch your hands out once again. And hug yourself. Once again. Out. Hug yourself. Once again out. And hug yourself. Alright. Now take your hands up. Try to go down once again. Touch your forehead. Forehead to the floor. Touch your forehead to the floor. Like this. Touch your forehead. 2 and 1. Alright, stretch your legs out. Stretch your legs out. Alright. Now this is a fun activity, okay? What you'll have to do is legs together. Back straight. Join your legs together. Okay. Only one leg, okay? You'll have to take it up. One leg up. One leg up. Fold one leg. Yes, and now take it down. Fold one leg. Take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You also have to count with me now, okay? For the other leg. Let's go 5, 6, 7. Go 1. Count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we'll do both the legs. Okay, both the legs. 5, 6, 7. Count with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold it. Hug yourself over here. Hold your knees. Hold your knees. Good job. Now what we'll try to do is take our legs back on top. Take your legs back on top. Hold your hands. Hold your hands out. Now straighten your leg. Try to straighten your leg. Straighten your legs. Good. And release. Very good. Okay, now you know what are we going to do? Come back into your sitting posture. Now we'll just stretch, okay? You'll have to fold your opposite knee. Where's your left hand? Show me your left hand. Left hand. Yes. Now left hand, hold your right knee. Hold your right knee with your left hand. Hold your right knee and stretch. Stretch yourself out with the help of your... Can you all see me? You all can see me, no? Yes, okay. Hold your left hand out. Hold your right knee and stretch. Stretch as much as you can. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Okay, stretch. Stretch, look behind. Very good. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now show me your right hand. Release. Show me your right hand. Hold your left knee. Hold your left knee and go behind. Stretch. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. What we'll do is, now we'll just sit. Place your hands again on your knees, both your knees, with your soft toys on your lap. Yes. Now what we'll try to do is just take your head from right to left. Alright? Take your head from right to left. Slowly, very slowly, with control. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on, right to left, right to left. Let's go up and down, go down. Up, down, up. Keep going, keep going. Very good. Let's do circle. Circle, circle. Circles with your head. Rotate your head. Very nice. Let's go other side, other side. Other side rotation. Very good. Now can we try one challenge? Okay, one challenge. Last challenge, okay? Take your one leg, hold your one leg, put it on your thigh. Place it on your thigh. Place one leg on the thigh. Now try to place the other foot also on your thigh. How? Like this. Who can do this? Who can do this? Come on, try to do this. Wow, very nice. Okay, place your toy on top of your lap. Very good. Now you have to be the swing for your toys, okay? So with the help of your hands, try to lift your body up and swing. Swing. Very good. Keep going. Yeah, and release. Very nice. Okay, now keep your toys aside. Now once again we'll try to lift ourselves up with our hands. Okay? Lift your hands. Lift yourselves up. Hold it. Hold it. Try to swing. I am doing it. Hold it. And release. Okay. Alright, relax, relax. Let's just stay right here. Stay right here with your legs in. And try to go down. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. Hold it. 5, 4, 3. Go down. 2 and 1. Relax. Okay, stretch your legs out. Now you know there's a very fun asana which everybody in my class likes it. It's called Shavasana. Okay? Shavasana is where you're just resting. You go to sleep. Okay? While I help you all imagine beautiful sceneries. Okay? In your head. So what you will do is go down, just lie down. Lie down like this with your palms facing upwards. And your eyes have to be closed. Okay? Eyes have to be closed. Eyes closed. Palm facing upwards. And just relax. Keep your eyes closed. You'll just have to breathe in and breathe out. Okay, just listen to my voice. You all don't need to watch me. You don't need to do anything. Just relax yourselves. Relax your bodies. Give your bodies the time to rest. After such a heavy session, just relax your body. In and breathe out. Relaxing yourself. Inhaling and exhaling from your nose. Okay, make sure you inhale and exhale from your nose. Feeling your blood flow through your body. Imagining yourself in a very happy place. In a place that you really want to go. Just imagine yourself in Disney World or beaches or mountains. Just relax. Lie down on the floor. Close your eyes. Make sure your eyes are closed. And in and out. Just relax for a few seconds. Breathing in and breathing out, focusing on your breath. Make sure your eyes are closed. And now we'll slowly bring a smile to our faces. Bring a gentle smile on your face. Smile wide. And slowly open your eyes. Come to your side and sit. Very good. Very good. Then we'll end today's class. Okay, if you all want, you all can join any sessions you all want. Alright? And I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.